Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to discuss how to build a basic sign up and login page using Firestore. As I've already mentioned in my previous video, Firebase and Firestore provide us a database to save all our credentials and details like a database. And coming to the code, these are all the basic requirements to connect our Firestore account to our JS file. And yes, this key.json is the file which we need to link our Firestore database to the code. And in order to do this application, I'm using an Express Node.js platform. So I have installed npm package which is called as Express using npm install Express, and I have initiated it with an variable called app, and these are all my requirements for constructing the basic sign up and login page. Besides this, I have created a HTML file for login and sign up with CSS, and this can be of your own using input tag and form tags and other methods for creating login and sign up pages. And this is my code for sign up page, and these are all my CSS properties. These are not need to be discussed right now. And for the login page, this is my code. Login page just consists of email and password, and these are all my CSS properties. And we'll see how this comes in our JS file. Now coming to the JS code, firstly, this login.html and signup.html, all these two of these files are to be saved in a folder called public in the directory we are currently using. So I have initiated with the static public, and as we already know, in order to use the Express Node.js in our current platform, we have some get method and post methods, and yeah, these are all the methods available in Express. Now I'm using app.get method because app is my instance variable for Express application in this code. And once I open the local host, which is having my particular port number, I have given it as 301. This goes with hello world initially. Once this function is invoked, request and response, these are the two parameters which are to be required. And this is my basic first page of my login and sign up page. Coming to the sign up page and login page, as I have already created login and sign up pages, sign up files using HTML and CSS. Now I'm instantiating all my details in a database, and I have given it a collection name as entry details. These will be stored in our Firestore database. As I have not yet started introducing my details in the Firestore, it shows nothing over there. And once I run this code for sign up and login, you'll get to know how the data is stored in the database. Request.query.username is the key for us to uh, fetch the request from the database using Firestore. And then once you have fetched all these details from the Firestore, once you add all these details to the Firestore, you will get a notification that you successfully signed up in the browser. And sorry, okay. And this app./signup will redirect you to a page of signup.html, and this is stored in the directory public as I've already mentioned. And next, once we run the code after signing up, we'll be directed to a login page once if we start slash login. And this is my login page where I have to fetch the details of email and password using request.query.email and request.query.password, and then add my email and password to verify whether the details are present in the database or not. If the details are present, you will going to be popped up with your login attempt is successful, and if not, else these will be called as invalid credentials and will be invoked with enter valid details. And and the final one, we have to give a port number to our app, so that I have given it as 3001. And just in order to know whether my app is working, I have just console logged this. Our port number is 301, I mean 3001. And this is my code goes. This is how my code goes. And once I start to run this code, mm, okay, this is my sign up page which I have created using HTML. I'm entering the details. Okay, let it be this. Once I have signed up, I'll be redirected to a browser page which shows you have successfully signed up. And once I open the login page, this login is only useful for existing users, as I've already created an entry detail in the database. I can use those details to log in. So yeah, my email and password are verified from the cloud firestore. Once I refresh this, you'll be given here my collection name is entry details, and the document contains these fields: email ID, password, and username. And this is how my code works using express.js. I hope you all understood, and thank you for watching.